MrSilver and KellyGirl is going to do this train station, use the train passes. We'll let you know if we find anything. They were building this big Ford depot built in 1900, probably before, a little bit before that, and lasted to about 69. And we'll detect this triangle here and that triangle over there and see what we can find. Kind of cool today, but I like it. It's 7:59. We got rained out to the trolley station, and she got cleaned up, and she ain't gonna come back out. I'm gonna go for a little bit. I'm gonna go to where we got our picture taken in the paper, and it was available today. So MrSilver's in the background. She's all tickled pink, man. Get her thing in the newspaper. Front page, we made front page. So I put that on International Coin Shooters. But I'm going to detect here. I found a lot of stuff here. Maybe I'll find a silver dime or something, barber dime or something. Laid my detector down and I popped this watch out. Wow. Yeah, it's nice. I think it's a lady's watch. Yepper. Virgin territory, man, here. Alright, get back to you. I thought this was a coordinate. It says Souvenir Cedar Point Arcade. No cash value. Yeah, it's pretty neat. I think I got one of them. Had I bought one. It's like gold color or something, but pretty neat. Yeah, quarter sticking right at the end of the hole there. And not the steak quarter. I think it's silver either. But I scratched it there. Cut that plug. Alright, get back to you. Yeah, found a poster, cooler Corolla paint. It's pretty old. Nice. Yeah, probably give that to KellyGirl. I stopped at the Troller Museum. It freaked KellyGirl out. She didn't like it, and birds and shit, but I'm gonna do this and see. It's nice black soil. Gas light probably come from that thing I'm standing right now. And right here, that's a gas light. Oh, get damn it. There's that right there. Alright, get back to you. Oh, that's some nice black soil in there, man. Found some couple pennies and nickels, dimes, but nothing really good. Found something real deep. Watch or what? That's nice. A little light and shit. I don't know. All right, get back to you. I'm about ready to go. I was gonna hand the hunt. I just found that. I don't know what that is. 16 weeks. I think that might be a train token or something. 2 quarters. Cedar Point token. Watch. 2 dimes and a nickel. Alright, happy hunting. See ya next time. Maybe tomorrow if it don't rain.